Hey there, and welcome back to SlideUpLift. First impressions matter, especially in presentations. That's why today, we're showing you a collection of stunning welcome slide templates to start your slides with impact. Animated Gradient Welcome Slide. Set the tone with sleek animation and elegant gradients perfect for modern decks. Team Introduction Welcome Slides. Introduce your crew with style ideal for leadership, intros, or project launches. Welcome slides for purpose-driven presentations. Set the right tone for impact pitches, partnerships, and investor decks. Business and sales welcome slides. Start strong with polished, professional designs that impress from the first slide. Education and creative welcome slides. Fun, energetic intros that make learning presentations exciting. Stylized and unique welcome designs. Bring personality to your deck with creative, eye-catching visuals. Whatever your story, there's a welcome slide here that sets the stage perfectly. Scan this QR code to download them from here. Join our channel and get exclusive membership perks, including huge discounts on our premium template library and membership plans, plus a free presentation template every month. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such content and see you in the next video.